Hello everyone! Welcome back to my class. During my today's tutorial, I will teach you how to paint character in watercolor style in a simple way. I prepared for you custom brushes along with native Procreate brushes, and during my today's class, I slightly changed the style of my painting. We moved from watercolor into pastel painting, and I hope you will like that. And guys, I would be very thankful if you could share with me your own artworks. That would be so cool to see what you create. And guys, if you are ready, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's paint together. Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class, and let's dive into children's book illustration and paint all together cute cartoon character in pastel style. At the end of my class, you will learn more about Procreate and composition, especially how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume, and color variation to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn how to paint pastel style illustration in a simple way, a new painting technique. You can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that Procreate is so simple and it's a real fun. And in the end of my class, you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create sketch, how to use native Procreate brushes, what is composition, how to paint picture without reference picture, how to apply my new technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create children's book illustration, how to use alpha lock and clipping mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you the best native Procreate brushes for pastel style painting, also color palette, sketch that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use them for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners. If you watched my previous classes, and experienced artists, probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to paint cartoon style illustration. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!